Hi there. I'm very fortunate and I feel proud that I'm connected with all my viewers, and my viewers must be 8 billion people of the earth, because my philosophy is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Atmar Sarvhutesu Sarvantu Sukhna. I love birds, fish, animal, plants and humans. But I have been myself a victim of the cruels, criminals, greedy, dictatorial, regimental people. In various places I worked as an employee. They did not give me proper chance to really serve the mankind. But there was a great man, and that great man is really a supreme man, and he belongs to India. He is the pride of the humanity. He is kind and generous with his limitations. He is not the monarch or king or the president or prime minister of a country, but he is justly a supreme human being, with love for humanity, with kindness for birds, fish, animals, plants and the beautiful Mother Earth. His name is Ganapati Venkata Krishna Reddy. Accidentally I came to meet him because he loves tennis and I am a tennis player too. And he loved me so much because he has the wisdom to understand others' ability and capability. He sensed that he is a fakir, he is a beggarly scholar, and he has purity of heart, mind and soul. He is absolutely pure. Purity of thought makes my words, thoughts and action absolutely pure. I love everyone. I have conquered greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. That he sensed, and he accepted me as a disciple and called him Gurudev. During the course I was playing tennis with him. My only desire was to be with such great people who really understand you, who really love you and care for you, and who really want to take the best out of you so that you can be very useful and productive to the mankind. For last 25 years I was with him. I requested him to give me an opportunity to work for his company, that is GVK Group of Industries. But this great man has limitation. I was working for a great company called NMDC, the mother company, which is very rich, dealing with mineral resources of the nation, particularly iron ore and diamond and limestone, dedicated to make India very proud and rich. He suggested me to continue till I retire, and he promised that he will be always opening his door for me. And I tell you, I never wanted to work for any organization where there are evils and devils, greedy, dictatorial regime. Being student of Buddha and Vivekananda, I believe in liberty. I believe in greatness. I believe in learning. I believe in growing as a stalwart, as a great human being. I want everyone to be a leader. A leader leads the people with sacrificing his or her all comforts and always thinking nation is great, the organization is great, and motivates and inspires his team members to deliver the best. But I am very sorry to tell you, NMDC, the public sector undertaking of India, is a very rich company because it deals with only minerals, dig it, sell it, earn a lot of money. But the value of the leaders of this company, right from the heads of R&D center to the different units, is just like useless, the dead souls, dictators, not educated in the true sense of this term, behaving and misbehaving very badly with all the employees. There are more than now. Maybe earlier, when I was there in the job, since 1991 till 2014, there were some 6,000 to 7,000. As it has developed something like a steel company at Nagarnar, it may be having something 10,000. They are treated like slaves. The leaders, the so-called butchers, call themselves leaders, always corrupt individuals selfish people try to sell the organization by various ways, earn money for their selfish end, and enslave the majority of the employees there. I was suffocating. But as I was paid well, I continued there. I don't like to deal with these evil people. I retired, and the great man, the focus of my talk is Manavratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. He called me and said, Virender, this is the right time. You have retired from your company. Now the door of GVK Group of Industries is open for you. As you are a student of learning, go to GVK MRI and transform the souls of the brave people who are engaged in saving lives, and he sent me there. Dear friends, since 31st July 2016, I am working for GVK MRI, and there is absolute freedom. There is liberty. There is full measure of devotion and passion by the chairman of this group, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, supporting everyone, inspiring everyone, motivating everyone to be a true servant of the mankind. At the fag end of my life, I am so happy. I am so useful to the people. Another great man, because the birds of the same feather flock together. Dr. Ramana Rao, the Professor Ramana Rao, a great man himself, one of the greatest emergency experts in the whole world, having collaboration with Stanford School of Medicine and so many great emergency institutions and organizations of the planet Earth. He sensed my ability and capability, and he gave me a job to train people to become Buddha and Vivekananda, because with a passion to serve, passionately, not for just money. Ask not what the organization can do for you. Ask yourself what you can do for organization. That gospel and message I am spreading among 60,000 employees of GVK MRI. And as you know, you can only serve once you are serviceable, physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally balance yourself. So he's given me the task to teach them yoga, Patanjali Yoga Sutra. There is a real secret of success. People are taught how to behave themselves with others, how to behave with themselves, how to make their body very strong, mind well controlled by meditation, postures and breathing techniques, following the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, being contented, being pure, being persevering, being persistent, being non-violent and lovable, controlling every sense organ. But, dear friend, my whole concentration was on the great man of India. He can be one of the greatest in the whole world. Manavratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. I am not bluffing you. I am not praising him just for no reason, but I am telling you the truth. Rarely such great people are born on this planet Earth. Not every time, but sometime. They are the messenger of true incarnation. They are the people whom humanity cannot forget. They really love people. They really care for people. He spends a big chunk of his earnings from different organizations to save lives of the people. I'm blessed. I'm graced. I'm useful. I am productive. You may be great, but you cannot have everything in your hold and fold to serve. There has to be proper environment. And Manavratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Gunapati Venkat Krishna Reddy, has given me this opportunity. I feel so proud of him. I thank you, my Gurudev, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, for this great opportunity Today every cells of my body is nourished by your fund which you are giving me. My whole family supported by you. But more than that, my every moment of life is engaged in giving best service to the people around in that organization. And next, my beloved, respected colleague and friend Dr. Raman Rao, I am also very grateful to you for giving me this opportunity to motivate, to inspire, to educate the gospel of passionate serving to the mankind, being to go extra mile, asking not how much you are paid, but how much you are serving to the mankind. And not only that, making them physically very strong by yoga, mentally very well disciplined and controlled by meditation. Om Shanti. Long live such great people. Long live Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy, Dr. Raman Rao, and the director, Mr. Krishnam Razu, and the great family of Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy from Nellore, Honorable Mr. Sanjay Reddy, the promising superstar of mankind, my beloved, respected child, Keshav Reddy. The world is waiting for you. They need such great, legendary family who really serve the mankind with a full measure of devotion and passion, not for name and fame, but as a true service rendered to the suffering humanity. All cannot use their power of brain. You have realized that you have the power of brain. And the supreme power is power of love, devotion and passion, selfless service to the mankind. Thank you, viewers.